guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to apply makeup in your 40s using very inexpensive products, and that will be the Essence range. I promise you this is not sponsored. However, everything that I'm gonna be using today, all the products, are from Essence Cosmetic. I just want to show you guys that you can actually still look young in your 40s using inexpensive makeup products. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, and first things first, you gotta start by taking care of the skin before we apply any makeup products. And of course I'm going in with the Essence Hello Good Stuff 48-hour Intense Hydrogel, aloe water, as well as hyaluron. And this is so good, and this is gonna help you moisturize your face and lock in that moisture. So what you want to do first, just grab a few pumps of that. I'm just gonna be using my hands because anybody got time for grabbing up tools and something that you're supposed to be using your hands anyway with. So I'm just gonna a little bit, I just pumped 2 drops of it actually, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Don't forget under those eyes, right there, as well as your forehead, and also touch a little bit of that on your eyelids, or just like that. And that should do the trick. Then next we're gonna be going in with makeup gripping jelly primer, and this one is called the Essence is a brand, and this one is Fix and Last Makeup Gripping Jelly Primer. It's hydrating and refreshing, and of course it is free from silicone and alcohol. We all know that you apply anything that contains alcohol in your face, first of all, it's going to be irritating to your skin, and second of all, it's very drying. So what you want to do, especially I cannot emphasize this enough, you want to make sure that you hydrate, moisturize as much as you possibly can. Okay, so you want to be buying products that help somehow with locking in moisture. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pump a few drops of this on my fingers, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face once again. One more thing I forgot to mention is the only reason why we even apply a primer on our face before you apply any makeup products is because a primer creates a barrier between your skin and the actual makeup, so it does not clog up your pores, because that can end up really affecting your skin in a very negative way. That is pretty much done. So now we're gonna jump onto the eyes. The Essence Prime Like a Boss eyeshadow base, this right here. The older you get, the more crucial it is for you to start using eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow base on your eyelids before applying any eyeshadow, just to avoid the smudging of the eyeshadow and the eyeshadow just looking a hot mess all over the eyelid. All of that, and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid, and this is just to help the eyeshadow to adhere better. It's gonna keep the eyeshadow in place. And the eyeshadow palette I'm going in with is the Essence Royal Party eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. And then I'm gonna go in with that eyeshadow called All Eyes on Me. And I'm gonna apply this right above my crease and also right below my brow bone. As you may have noticed, I'm concentrating the eyeshadow mostly below my brow bone and also just above my crease area, and I'm going in with a thicker brush. This is a blending brush, and I'm not using the flat brush that I normally would use to pack in the eyeshadow, because I just want a little bit of those bristles to touch on the rest of the surface of the eyelid area without me going so heavy-handedly on the eyelid area. So I just need some of that to kind of like help me create the look that I'm going for without me packing too much product on the eyelid area. And now I'm just quickly grabbing a clean brush and I'm just gonna blend out those edges a little bit. And then next I'm going in with the Essence waterproof tattoo covering, and this one is it's a matte concealer and it's in a shade called Golden Toffee. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of it using a smaller brush. Just gonna dab it at the back of my hand. I only want to use very little of it. And I just want to apply right here, almost as if I'm cutting the crease. And then I'm gonna wing it. And there's a reason why I'm using a matte concealer. It's just so that it does not smudge, and also it's gonna dry out quickly, so I don't have to worry about it smudging. Then next, what I'm gonna do right on top of that eyeshadow, the fallouts, basically the fallouts on our eyelid, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna go in with that eyeshadow called Gold Chains. I'm going in with the eyeshadow called Gold Chains, and I'm just gonna put it on the center. So next I'm gonna grab me some eyeliner, and this one is a Essence liquid ink eyeliner. It is waterproof, and I'm just gonna drag it. And then to open up those eyes a little bit, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be using the Essence eyeliner pen, and this one is in white. Putting this on my waterline. So we're gonna be going in with the same eyeshadow shade called All Eyes on Me, and we're gonna apply it on our lash line, on the bottom lash line. The lashes, we are going in with the Essence Lash Princess Wispy Effect False Eyelashes. So they look pretty cute and very natural looking. The strip is very thin. You can actually get away with it, with making a few mistakes if you don't know how to apply eyelashes. So look at how thin that is. Next, to marry my natural lashes with the false lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. And I'm just going to apply this on my natural lashes. Bottom lashes as well. And that's pretty much how the eyes look. So now let's jump onto the face. So next for the face, I'm gonna be going in with the Essence Fresh and Fit foundation. It contains niacinamide as well as vitamin E, which is very crucial for keeping your skin hydrated as well as moisturized, and also locking that moisture that you actually need very much so, especially when you are aging. You know that obviously your skin tends to get a little bit dry, so hydration is key. That's what you need. And what you're gonna do is grab your little powder puff, spritz some water, just make sure that it's a little bit damp. Just want to make it a little bit damp. And then next I'm going to take some of that foundation, and this is in a shade, what shade is this? This one is in a shade called Fresh Bronze, and I'm just going to pump a few drops of it. About 3 drops of this will do the trick. And what you want to do is use a dabbing motion. You never want to swipe your foundation because you're just wiping it away. So what you want to do is dab, dab, dab all over the face. Dab all over the face because you don't want to use a swiping motion. Swiping motion means wiping it away, whereas dabbing means that it's kind of like you're just leaving it there to sit and set and do what it needs to do. Using a smaller size brush, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that concealer that we used previously, and I'm just gonna apply this underneath my eyes. Using a dabbing motion as well. Then using the same powder puff we used for our foundation, I'm gonna press it in. Just applying this right underneath my cheekbones, just like that. I'm just gonna dab up and down, dragging it towards the jaw area. So next I'm going in with the Essence blush called Beloved. This one is in a powder form. Dab a little bit of it. Very natural looking blush as well. Then next I'm taking some what is it called, makeup fixing loose powder, and this one is a matte, blurring, and white. Just grabbing a little bit of that powder. What you want to do is just dab a little bit. You don't want to cake it on. Trust me, if you apply too much powder, it's gonna be creasy, it's gonna be cakey, it's gonna be sitting on your fine lines where you don't want it to be sitting at. So you just want to be very, 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 very careful with this powder, and you just want to apply a little bit of it, Then after that we're going in with the Essence Kissed by the Light highlighter. I'm just grabbing a little bit of the highlighter and I'm just applying it right above that blush, just like that, right on the inner corners of my eyes, just to highlight that area as well. And a little bit of it on my brow bone. Cupid's bow as well, and the tip of my nose, my nostril, as well as the bridge of my nose. Then for the lips we are going in with the Essence matte, with the Essence 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in a shade called Cinnamon Spice. Smells good. Nice brown shade. Ooh, We're gonna be setting our face with the Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Just gonna all over the face. And that's pretty much it. Hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like,